Ever wondered how AI models can achieve near-perfect accuracy? How can businesses detect fraud, predict sales, or diagnose diseases with higher precision? The secret is ensemble learning, a method that blends multiple models into a super-intelligent AI system. And today, we're breaking it down step by step using PyCaret, a powerful, low-code machine learning library that makes ensemble learning easy for students, professionals, and AI enthusiasts. Take notes, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build stronger and smarter machine learning models. Imagine you're trying to predict tomorrow's weather. You ask 3 different experts, a meteorologist, a statistician, and a farmer with years of experience. Each has different strengths and may make errors, but if you combine their knowledge, you'll get a more accurate prediction. That's ensemble learning, a method that combines multiple machine learning models to improve accuracy and reduce errors. Now let's break down the 3 key techniques of ensemble learning and what each stage achieves. Stage 1. Bagging, reducing variance and overfitting. Bagging, or bootstrap aggregating, creates multiple versions of the same model by training them on different random subsets of the data. The results are then averaged to create a final, more stable prediction. Key benefits: reduces variance, avoids overfitting, works best for high-variance models like decision trees. Example, the random forest algorithm is a bagging method. Stage 2. Boosting, correcting mistakes and improving accuracy. Unlike bagging, boosting focuses on errors. It trains models sequentially, where each new model corrects the mistakes of the previous one, making the final prediction more accurate. Key benefits: reduces bias, fixes systematic errors, improves performance for weak models. Example, gradient boosting, XGBoost, AdaBoost, Light GBM. Many believe machine learning requires deep coding knowledge. That's where PyCaret changes the game. PyCaret is a low-code library that makes ensemble learning easy. Build powerful machine learning models with just a few lines of code. Key features: automates model selection, easy hyperparameter tuning, integrates with business tools, saves time and resources. Now that we understand bagging, boosting, and stacking, let's see how PyCaret makes it easy to apply them. With just a few lines of code, PyCaret selects the best model for your data, applies bagging, boosting, or stacking effortlessly, optimizes settings for maximum accuracy. That's the power of low-code machine learning. So, where is ensemble learning used in the real world? Everywhere. Healthcare, medical diagnosis models detect diseases faster and more accurately. Finance fraud detection using stacked models improves banking security. Stock market boosting models predict stock price movements. Marketing AI-powered recommendations increase conversions. Now you understand how ensemble learning works and how PyCaret simplifies it. Ready to apply it yourself? Remember these key takeaways? Bagging reduces overfitting and improves stability. Boosting improves accuracy by correcting mistakes. Stacking builds the ultimate AI supermodel. Let's take a quick technical dive. Ensemble learning works by combining multiple base models to create a stronger AI system. There are 3 main types as mentioned before. First, bagging or bootstrap. Aggregating. Models are trained on random subsets of data, and predictions are averaged to reduce variance. An example of this is random forest. Second, boosting models are trained sequentially, with each new model correcting the previous one's mistakes. Examples include XGBoost and AdaBoost. Third, stacking. Multiple models generate predictions, and a final meta-model learns the best combination of those predictions. This approach helps in reducing errors, improving model stability, and increasing generalization, making it an essential technique for anyone working with AI and machine learning. Want to try this yourself? PyCaret makes ensemble learning easy with just a few lines of code. Many people believe that machine learning requires deep coding knowledge. That's where PyCaret changes the game. PyCaret is a low-code library that makes AI more accessible to non-programmers. Whether you're a student, researcher, or business leader, it's time to unlock the full potential of AI with PyCaret. Subscribe, like, and start building smarter AI models today with new technology.